Let's be honest, motorcycles can get expensive, and repairs even worse. But what if we told you that there are cruiser bikes out there that cost less than a used iPhone and just won't break down? Whether you're a beginner, a commuter, or just someone who wants a solid weekend ride without spending a fortune, these 7 cruisers are your golden ticket. They're cheap, easy to fix, and built to last through thick and thin. In this video, we'll break down the 7 most affordable cruiser motorcycles that have earned a cult-like reputation for being indestructible. Some of these bikes have racked up over 100,000 miles with no engine rebuild. So grab your helmet, we're about to show you what value really means on 2 wheels. Before we get into the list, let's talk about what makes a cruiser reliable. Low-maintenance engines, proven track records, cheap parts, simplicity over unnecessary tech. If a bike has survived 100,000 plus miles in real-world riding, it deserves a place here. Number 7, Honda Shadow Aero. The Honda Shadow Aero isn't just beginner-friendly, it's bulletproof. With its shaft-drive 750cc engine and classic styling, this bike often runs for decades with little more than oil and tire changes. Number 6, Yamaha V Star 650. Ask any mechanic and they'll tell you the Yamaha V Star 650 is a legend for reliability. Air-cooled, carbureted, and stone-simple, it's the kind of bike that shrugs off neglect and keeps on thumping. Number 5, Suzuki Boulevard S40 1-cylinder, 650cc lightweight. The S40, formerly Savage 650, has been running since the 80s with minimal changes. It's a cruiser that beginners and old schoolers both love for its reliability and low cost. Number 4, Kawasaki Vulcan 500 LTD. Don't let the small number fool you. The Vulcan 500 packs a parallel twin engine derived from a Ninja sport bike. It revs high, lasts forever, and parts are everywhere. For under $3,000 used, it's a gem. Number 3, Harley-Davidson Sportster 883. Yes, a Harley. The 883 Sportster has legendary status for good reason. Air-cooled V-twin, tons of aftermarket support, and a design that hasn't changed much in 30 years. It just works. Number 2, Yamaha Bolt. Yamaha's answer to the Sportster, the Bolt is modern but not overcomplicated. With a torquey 942cc V-twin, this bike has been proving itself since 2014 with almost zero reliability issues. Number 1, Honda Rebel 500. Our top spot goes to the Honda Rebel 500. Fuel-injected, lightweight, and surprisingly tough. It's become the go-to cruiser for new riders and veterans who want a fuss-free daily ride. These bikes just don't quit. There you have it, 7 cruisers that just don't know how to quit. If you're looking for a low-budget ride that you can count on year after year, any of these will do the trick. Drop a comment and let us know which one you'd ride into the sunset. And don't forget to like, subscribe,